Hey vlog, it is Sunday. What's that? Okay, yeah, it's Sunday. As you can see, I have uploaded a couple more videos. My wig, I need to, we're not gonna worry about that. That's actually one of the tasks today, is to go to the suite and fix this. I'm adding a new closure because this closure did not lift how I wanted it to, and color got on top of the lace, and it was a whole thing. So whatever. But today is another salon vlog, behind the scenes of the business. Yesterday I had a pretty early day for it to be a Saturday. Like, I was literally at home by like noon or 1 o'clock because I did have another appointment, but I ended up just canceling that appointment because I really did not feel like doing a drive, and I was just been exhausted. I've been exhausted, but it's okay because things are still getting done. And I have to remind myself, like, it's okay. You work, you really work, so it's okay if you just want to stay at home for 2 days, you know what I mean? Like, but yeah, so today I gotta go to my suite. I need to fix this wig. I gotta color the closure. I have to lay out my mat. I have a mat that I have not been working on for the longest because it was in my shed, but I finally got it out. So I'm gonna lay out my mat. I'm gonna do some cleaning, of course, because that's always gotta do the cleaning. I might go to Michael's. I don't know if Michael's is open on Sundays, actually. If Michael's is open, I would like to go to Michael's. They might not be open. I might have to go tomorrow. I want to get my nails done and my pedicure because I really need that. And that really be like my, I guess, self-care time. I have to go run a couple errands as far as house stuff. And yeah, just get some stuff done. I need to clean my house. Today, I am coming up with some video concepts as well. Some video tips to help people who are thinking about going into today, you know, really starting their own business or have started it, but they are experiencing a lack and kind of just like stuck in a rut and not sure what to do or how to progress and move forward. Because I have got a few DMs that have asked, and they've just been inquiring, like, well, what do you suggest I do? Like, how did you get started? Like, how did you really, like, basically get where you are? I got a couple things that I think are really important. Had somebody gave me like a 12-step program and say, do this to start out and just stick with this, I would have been okay. Granted, I went through like a lot of trial and error type shit. It's like just trying something. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that was just that. So I don't know. I would definitely though keep y'all updated. First stop is the nail shop because they open at noon. It's 2 o'clock. They might be kind of busy. We gonna see though. So I'll update y'all. See y'all. You see, I have to go to both of these places. I love when I get a parking spot right in the front. Yes, ma'am. It's my lucky day. So, we've made it, finally, an hour update. It is like literally like 2.5 hours later. I did not get my nails done, but they closed at 5 and like everybody was pretty much getting ready to go. I was in the back. I didn't notice how many people were still in there, but I just decided to forfeit my time and just say forfeit my spot and just, you know, I'll come back tomorrow because I'm off tomorrow too, so I could just come in, get my fill in, and then go back home. Whatever. Didn't want to get out tomorrow, but I will because I know that feeling. It's the end of my fucking day. I want to be done. And then what's crazy is when I left out, 2 more girls still walked in. Y'all don't have to do that to them. So right now I'm at the mall because I need to get a band to put on this damn wig because the fact that I thought I could come out the house with no hat on is just... I'm gonna see y'all when I get to my suite. Should I do hair ASMRs? My husband got a mic, and it's literally, I could just clip it on me. and get to going crazy. I don't know if I like wigs no more. I love wigs, love the concept, but I don't know if I like them on me no more. Because it's like, is this me? It's so cute. But is this me? I don't think this is me. I don't think wigs are me. But whatever. I got my band. Went to the store. Went to the wig store. I got a wig cap. And I got my band to add on, which I'm just gonna sew that on. Oh God, I'm gonna break something. So I'm gonna sew that on. This is basically the new closure. I'm about to color this because I really do. I don't know, y'all can't see it. But this specific closure that we got, ultraviolet, so you can kind of see this was like the pink mix. I also have cotton candy pink. Something is telling me do cotton candy pink because that's gonna be real freaky emo girl. And then I have shocking blue. I already know I'm not gonna do blue. I'm not gonna do blue. I don't want to do blue. So it's between ultraviolet and cotton candy pink. Unless, I guess I could ombre it and just like freak it out for It is now the next day. It's 12 o'clock. So I did finish my wig. I have came to the conclusion I am not a straight hair person. I'm not a wig person anymore. Maybe if it was curly, maybe if it was kinky. 24-year-old me, not a wig person. Simply put, straight hair, it's just not realistic for me anymore. It was fun, like, I think like maybe for an event or something, or like something has got to be going on for me to just want straight hair. And this is really long. It's pretty. My color came out to like an orange pink, even though I was reading the label, and it basically said that if you don't lift it to the highest level it can go, so like a level 8, between 8 and 10, then you will get some really beautiful highlights, which is what it did. Gave me some nice highlights. It has a pink undertone, like you could definitely tell, but like on camera and just like looking quick, it looks like it's an orange, which I'm fine with. This is cute. Way better than the last color, because it just didn't take it like I wanted it to take. But last night I didn't get to film like finishing, because I ended up having to leave my suite and then go back to my suite, and it was so late and it was just a lot going on. So I was like, okay, I'll just end the vlog tomorrow. But I did finish it, so this is what it looks like. I have a widow's peak, so sometimes I didn't do my edges this morning because I just ran to the store, but this is how it turned out. I don't know if I need it a little flatter. No, I just really don't. I'm not in a wig, so you know what I do? This is what I do. Now this is me. Scully straight hair. The color, I'm giving me real emo girl, real fall, real Dribble said I like a witch last night. Not sure what the fuck that meant, but but yeah, so basically I did finish it. Y'all just see me literally planning my next video. That's gonna be a good one. I think it's gonna be really helpful if you are someone who is looking to start your own business, or you want to expand your business and you're doing hair or whatever service it is you're offering. I'm about to break it down for y'all in 10 steps where I think is really, really important in beginning that process. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I finished it. I cleaned up a bit, reorganized repacked, refilled the snacks, and yeah, so I will see y'all in my next video. This is another behind the scenes working salon vlog. Peace out. Oh, and I need to get my nails done. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.